To adjust screen color mode in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find display and brightness. After entering it, we'll be able to see screen color mode, and here you will find at least 5 different options that allows you to customize it, maybe even 6 or 7. So first one is vivid. You can select it if you like. Just look on the image on your phone right here, because the camera applies different filters, so it doesn't look like this in real life. So make sure to do it on your own phone and then find the best color. You can go for vivid, natural, cinematic, brilliant, or in advanced mode you'll be able to select the DCI-P free colors or sRGB gamut to display all of the colors and your screen. So in this case I found that the vivid, for me at least, is the best one, so I recommend to use the vivid option. Now you can scroll down, and then there's the screen color temperature, and I found that this phone is tentative for a bit of red color, so I will just move it a little bit into the green. That way you can already see it on the camera as well, that the display becomes much more clearer, and that's how I would adjust the colors for it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.